Fiverr is a very low tech concept, very simple 5 steps to manage your workplace. Right? It doesn't require any major technical knowledge. But on the other hand, implementation of Fiverr is one of the biggest challenges many companies face. Even though the companies may start well in implementing Fiverr, later they're finding it very difficult to sustain the Fiverr. So in this video, I have listed 5 major reasons why Fiverr's implementation fails in your company. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and welcome to Kaizen Club. So there are 5 major reasons why Fiverr's implementation fails in any organization. And the number one reason is the lack of reviews by the top management. Many times what happens is the top management hires a consultant for implementing Fiverr, and after that they don't do the reviews properly. They don't sit for the reviews consistently. So what it shows, or what the next level people or the employees understand from this situation is, okay, the top management is not involved in this, so why should I put that effort in implementing Fiverr? So that's one of the major reasons why Fiverr fails in any organization. Fiverr's implementation is not going to be like buying a machine and commissioning it, right? It requires a lot of culture change. The top management has to actively participate in the reviews at least once in 2 weeks, right? Or at least once in a month. They have to sit and review the Fiverr's activity. Then only it gives a right message to the employees. They start following it and they start sustaining it. Otherwise, Fiverr will be just in the form of some documents, some posters here and there, but nobody will follow the Fiverr. So this is the number one reason which we find in most of the cases. So wherever people say the Fiverr is not being sustained, we immediately ask, okay, are you participating in the reviews? And many cases, the top management does not do the Fiverr review. So this is the number one reason. And the number two reason is people's focus more on the production and quality, the typical business numbers rather than Fiverr. Right? Most of the time, what happens is the top management pushes the Fiverr activity to the next level, and after that they vanish. And the second level people, the managers and the senior team, they look at Fiverr as an additional work, and they because the management is also not focusing on that, they lack the energy to sustain it, and they focus more on the production numbers rather than focusing on the Fiverr. Okay, we don't say that production is not important, the sales is not important, not like that. They are very important, but at the same time, can I follow the basic Fiverr activities so that overall there will be better in terms of sales, low mix-ups, and easy to serve the customers. So Fiverr will definitely help in improving the sales and your housekeeping. So it's going to help in your business. So it's not that either or, it is both, right? Both. I want the numbers, production, quality, delivery, everything should be good, but at the same time, Fiverr also should be implemented, sustained properly. So the production team should focus on having this Fiverr running it continuously, not just focusing on the numbers at the end of the month. For example, few companies I have seen, at the last week of the month, they all run for the production numbers or the sales numbers, and they leave everything out, right? All the other systems will go for a toss, and they just try to meet the month-end demand. So this is not going to help in sustaining Fiverr. So this is the number two reason why Fiverr fails in many companies. And the third reason is expecting immediate results. Sometimes people have this unreasonable, immediate results, right? Generally, good things in life, it takes long term or long time to bring the results. For example, your health, your money, everything compounds, at a very slow rate, but you will be seeing the results after a period of time. When you want to reduce some weight and you're joining a gym, within the first 1 week, you're not going to see any big change in the physical appearance. It takes at least 3 months or 6 months to at least show some kind of a change in the person's appearance, right? And during the 6 months, the first 6 months, people have to be consistent. They have to be regular. and they have to put the effort. Then only they can see the result after 6 months. Similarly, Fiverr is also like that. I have to put small improvements continuously. Fiverr implementation should be done regularly, and then after maybe 3 months or 6 months, you will be able to see the results. So, expecting some immediate change is not going to happen. So, that is the third major reason. We are going to talk about this Fiverr's implementation in a slightly detailed way at the end of the video. The fourth reason why Fiverr fails is the Fiverr's implementation performance is not linked with the regular appraisal system. Right? In many large companies, they have an appraisal system, but again, I have seen companies doing it maybe once a year or once in half yearly types, and people just think of it like a form filling exercise, and they go and talk to the bosses. In many small and medium companies, the appraisal system itself is not there, right? The increments and the promotions happen through the discussion or the senior team's ideas. What we can actually do is create a small performance measurement system, including their regular KPIs plus the Fiverr's performance also. You have to add some weightage to the Fiverr's so that people should know that, oh yes, this Fiverr's implementation is being measured by my senior team. Only then they will start implementing Fiverr's in their organizations. So this is something which is very important. That is the fourth point. Fifth major reason is the top management commitment. Commitment has to be shown by the top management by implementing Fiverr's in their workplace. So whenever they are going to the shop floor, they can ask the team members, and they can appreciate some other team members who would have performed well in Fiverr's. They would have implemented some good ideas. You can appreciate them, give them the rewards and recognition. Right? By all these methods, the top management can show their commitment. By sitting in the reviews every 15 days or every month, the top management should review. So all these 5 reasons contribute to the failure of Fiverr's in many companies. So to avoid that, the number one reason is the top management's commitment and their reviews. So if you can follow this, Fiverr's will be a very, very easy system to follow. It doesn't take a lot of technical knowledge. People changing the lower level operators, the transformation, that is very easy. Bringing a change in the top management and the middle level, that is the toughest part, which from our experience I am sharing. So if you are committed, if you are able to do the reviews, you are able to link the performance to their management's KPIs, and also give them the time and appreciation, so that Fiverr's can become a very successful journey in your company. If you like this particular video, give a thumbs up and also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you will get a notification. And we have a free induction bundle where we can train your young engineers and diploma holders on the basics of shop floor management and also on lean manufacturing. So there are 2 free courses available, which are certified courses, which the team members can take the course and also get certified. And the links are in the description. There is no need for credit card or any other financial information, so they can just sign up and start doing the course. Many companies, the HRs have taken this as a induction program for their engineers, so you can also do that. The links are in the description. And I talked about Fiverr's being implemented in a step-by-step manner, right? So what we do is we do Fiverr's implementation in a 6-month time period. Every week we have created a small set of actions. So week-wise we have categorized the activities, and now we have created a workbook which can be used by medium-sized companies or small companies to implement Fiverr's without the requirement of external consultants. You don't even need us. All the knowledge and templates, everything is available in that document, and it will give you a week-wise activity. Right? So you can download that and start implementing Fiverr's in a week-wise manner. Very, very easy, simple steps. So everybody can start implementing Fiverr's without any need for consultants. So this particular document also I am giving the link in the description. It's just 999 rupees, very, very low cost, affordable cost. So you can straight away download it and start implementing Fiverr's in your company. Please feel free to check them out also. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll talk to you in the next one. See you. Bye-bye.